Yeah, and oh no, drop slides. Please be advised of the following safety requirements. Always follow team member instructions and ask for assistance if needed. If you're an expectant mother or if you have heart, back, or neck conditions, have no blood pressure,